Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all, I've got a couple giveaway announcements and a couple mail calls to show you and tell you about. This first one I've had for a little while. I've actually already opened it. I've been using it. It's something that I really desperately needed. This box here. This is from my buddy over at Southern Ohio Prepping Channel. Y'all need to go check him out. He's having a giveaway. A few things that he sent me. It's some first aid items and a couple pieces of wood. He sent me some pictures of this wood. It looked a lot bigger in the pictures. I'm going to try my best to use it for something. I don't know if I will be able to or not, but I'm going to try my best to. I sure do appreciate it. Old Grumpy. If you go check him out, tell him, say, hey, old Grumpy, Jerry sent me over. Now, he sent me some first aid items because I'm always catching myself on fire, cutting myself, hurting myself some way or another. Sent me some bandages, Band-Aids, a couple boxes of those, which I desperately need. Some Bactine, not really too sure what that is. Pain relieving cleansing liquid. Oh yeah, I definitely need that too. Some kind of rat type bandage. I ain't never used one of those. Oh, there's another box of Band-Aids. Some aspirins. Whoops, I opened that one accidentally. Some adhesive tape. That's something else I definitely need. Definitely need that. And some adhesive pads. Oh yeah. Old Jerry's hooked up now. I can cut myself all I want to, and I can just bandage myself right up. Now he's having a giveaway, like I said before. He's giving away a big old freaking bag. It's a first aid kit. This sucker is huge. Look at there, I got a Smurf Band-Aid on. I cut the crap out of my thumb about a week ago. It's healing up pretty good, but I keep busting it open, so I got to keep a Band-Aid on it. Now I got plenty of them. But anyway, he's giving away a big huge first aid kit. This thing is like a damn duffel bag full of first aid gear. You need to get in on it. Even if you don't want it, you can just gift it over to me. Tell him, say, hey, if I win, you give that thing to Jerry, because he needs it. This son of a bitch just cuts himself too much. Well, that's it for that one. I'm going to put the link to his channel into the description below. And now here's another mail call. This is from my buddy Kevin Outdoors. That's a big old package, ain't it? I already know what's in it, but I'm going to open it right now. Open this thing up. Hopefully not cut the thing, some gun. Ooh. Trying to be careful, but it ain't working because my knife's so sharp. Oh yeah. Found me an old sheath for this. I just took it off of another knife. This is from my buddy Kevin Outdoors. What this is a big old wool blanket. He knows I like wool blankets. He's always hooking me up with good stuff. This bag is not a toy. Imagine that. But I'm gonna have all kinds of fun with what's inside of it. That's right, I sure am. Y'all, I'm gonna put a link to Kevin Outdoors channel in the description below too. Kevin, formerly known as Survival Junkie. He had another channel called Survival Junkie, but he did something and screwed it up and can't get back on it for some reason. So he started a new channel called Kevin Outdoors. It's a great channel, great guy. I've known him ever since I first started YouTube. And I did a giveaway for him not too long ago, but I screwed it all up, and I sent the link out as, you know, to his old channel, Survival Junkie channel, which I meant to send it out as Kevin Outdoors. So what I'm doing is having another giveaway. Doing it myself. I'm going to give away one of my knives. I don't know what kind yet, but I'm not giving it away until he hits 500 subscribers. So y'all get over there, check him out, show him some support, tell him Jerry sent you over. I'm putting the link to one of his videos in the description below. I'm gonna make sure it's the right one this time too. I'm gonna give away one of my knives. I'm not sure which kind yet. It's probably be one that I have the most of. So either way, go check him out. He's a great guy. He's an awesome guy. They both are. Southern Ohio Prepping, the Old Grumpy, and Kevin Outdoors. Two great channels. Both links will be in the description below, so go check them out. I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna go play with my new my new toys. Y'all have a great day.